Okay, so namaste friends. I am continuing with the vibrations and the sound and the frequencies which we were talking about last two sessions. हमने स्टार्ट किया था ओम चैंटिंग से, फिर ओम के वाइब्रेशंस कितने इफेक्टिव रहते हैं उसके ऊपर से. So today I will be talking on singing bowl meditation, or I can say it comes under Nada Yoga also. Guru Nanak said once, the sound is inside us. It is invisible. Wherever I look, I find. Kabir कहते हैं, the universe is manifested out of divine sound. From it came into being the light. पहले sound आया, फिर light आया. Every great people, every saint, everyone realized ultimately that sound is the first entity which came into this being. So it is very important. And that's why this vibrations and frequencies जो हमने पिछली बार ओम से related करी थी, I want you to go little, I want you to take you little deeper on this aspect of sound, which is also known as Nada Yoga. Nada Yoga is the ancient yoga of sound, both audible and inaudible. नाद का मतलब होता है ध्वनि या आवाज, जिसकी मदद से इस योग को किया जाता है. नाद योग साधना के जरिए हम ध्वनि के माध्यम से शरीर में एक नई ऊर्जा का विकास करते हैं. और सिंगिंग सॉन्ग्स, यू नो दिस सिंगिंग सॉन्ग्स, लिसनिंग टू क्लासिकल म्यूजिक आल्सो कम्स अंडर नाद योग. सिंगिंग बोल मेडिटेशन कम्स अंडर नाद योग. सो व्हाट इज दिस सिंगिंग बोल? हमने बहुत सुना है, नाम बहुत लोगों ने सुना होगा, देखा होगा, probably आवाज भी सुनी होगी, the music सुना होगा, but what exactly is singing bowl? Look, it is a Tibetan, people have started this singing bowl concept. Actually, they were like bells in the shape of bowl. So it's a shape of bowl. जो bell में आवाज chimes ये आवाज आती है, exactly it comes from the bowl shape thing. It is made of 7 sacred metals. Actually, आपको 5 metals का भी मिलता है, 3 metals का भी मिलता है. People, when you go to the market, they will say कि ये 7 metals का है या 7 धातुओं का बना हुआ है, but don't go for them because they may sell you anything. And it can cost you, if it is authentic, it can cost you around 5,000 से लेके 50,000 तक का भी इसका कॉस्ट रहता है, ऑथेंटिक रहता है. तो so the 7 metals which is it is made up of is gold, silver, copper, tin, mercury, iron and lead. So it gives unique frequency to the vibration to the ball. All these sounds together, they उसके जो vibrations आते हैं ना, बहुत unique रहते हैं. And history of this instrument is not clear to anyone, but they believe that it is almost 3,000 to 6,000 years old and made originally by pre-Buddhist cultures. And they may have been created as mundane daily use serving bowls. जैसे उन्होंने use किया होगा कि खाना खाने के लिए serve करने के लिए bowls जैसे use करते हैं. They started with that, but then they realized that when they are eating in that, when they are making food in that, when the sound which, while making the sound which comes, it is changing the harmony and the energy level around them, and then they made more progress into what this exactly singing bowl is. So when we play this singing bowl, so exactly what is singing bowl I will show you. This is the singing bowl, if you can see clearly, and this is the wood mallet which we play with it. So the vibrations which comes out of this can last for a minute or two if it is authentic singing bowl. So अभी भी इसमें vibrations है, I can feel it in my hand. I don't know whether you can hear them or not. But authentic अगर रहता है तो vibrations बहुत देर तक चलते हैं. And सस्ता वाला जो रहता है आपका within 10 seconds the vibrations die down. So it always plays with this wooden mallet. The benefits of these bowel vibrations are like it affects our chakras directly. It works on our chakra. It heals our body. वो कहते हैं कि आपके जितने भी रोग बहुत होते हैं, ailments रहते हैं, it takes care of your body ailments also. कैसे करते हैं अब ये body ailments? Sound का और इसका effect कैसे होगा? The video I have sent you on the group, I think if you have seen it, you could see that there is a water inside this bowl and how it vibrates when it is being played. So and our body is made up of that 70% of water. So, and it is a very good conductor of sound and vibration. So if we are playing singing bowl, the vibrations reaches our body. And when it reaches our body, it is affecting the every cell, every organ of our body. So it's every tissue जो है आपका, it's like an orchestra. Human body can be compared to an orchestra where each organ, tissue and cell is like a different instrument. So our nervous system is sensitive to all the sounds. Therefore, singing bowl sound creates a healing effect on our nervous system, which is in continuous communication with every cell of our body. So ये जो इफेक्ट हमारा बॉडी पे होता है, इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द वाटर कंटेंट इनसाइड अवर body which gives is effective to every organ and it heals our cell. जैसे energize होते हैं, cell energize होते हैं तो organ को भी energy मिलती है, positive energy, and it starts healing. Physical effect of vibrations on the body is that it creates theta waves in the brain. So this frequency may be ideal for the visualization exercises and repatterning your brain. जब हम ध्यान करते हैं तो ध्यान करते समय जब ये this vibrations reaches our brain, so it helps you to concentrate better because the waves which are coming out of this sound is theta waves, and theta waves are said to be very good while doing meditation. It also gives you deep relaxation, muscle regeneration, pain reliefs for joint, muscle, sciatica, headache, migraine. आपके डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम पे इफेक्ट होता है इसका. हेडेक्स तो कहते हैं कि आपका जब भी हेडेक हो, यू प्ले दिस एंड योर हेडेक विल गो. स्पाइनल इंजरीज, शोल्डर्स, एंड इट इंप्रूव्स आवर ब्लड सर्कुलेशन आल्सो. एंड देन इट एनर्जी फ्लो जो है आपकी पूरे बॉडी की इंप्रूव्स, एलिमिनेशन ऑफ टॉक्सिन्स फ्रॉम आवर बॉडी. और मेंटल और इमोशनल जो इफेक्ट है हमारे बॉडी पे इस साउंड का है, इट रिलैक्सेस अवर माइंड and it de-stresses our body, mind, and all the blockages which are inside us, they go and they minimize and they become lesser and lesser as you keep playing this. Better concentration, inner feelings are activated and released, more energy and strength in everyday life. Balance and harmony in your life is seen whenever we play this, and experience of bliss is encountered. क्लीनिंग ऑफ द चक्रास जो पहले बताया था मैंने, एस्ट्रल नाडीज एंड सारे नाडीज के ऊपर इट वर्क्स. सो देयर एन नंबर ऑफ, जितना मैं बोलूंगी उतने बहुत ज्यादा इसके बेनिफिट्स हैं. एंड आई थिंक वी विल गेट अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ दैट इन व्हेन आई विल प्ले दिस. आई विल प्ले दिस सिंगिंग बोल along with the meditation music which I will play. So कभी मैं ये बजाऊंगी, कभी आपको म्यूजिक आएगा. तो ये साउंड जो आपके कानों में आता है, it should not reach directly because then it may sometimes loud sound also affect negatively on your brain. So and that's why I asked you not to use your earphones today. So first we will do our pranayam and then we will do our dhyan with the singing bowl meditation. Okay, take out your specs if you are wearing. Eyes closed. Normalize your breathing. Take deep breaths. 9 rounds of Anulom Vilom. We will close our right nostril first. Inhale from your left. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. 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 Last round. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. And relax. Keep your eyes closed. Now we'll do 5 rounds of Bhramari Pranayama. Close all your 5 senses with your fingers. Thumb goes to your ears. We'll inhale, and while exhaling, we will take out this humming sound. Inhale. Mm. 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 Keeping your eyes closed, we'll invite Adi Yogi Lord Shiva, Mahavatar Babaji, Maharshi Patanjali, and all the Gurujans, all the Devi Devta, whomsoever we are, complete faith. Take their blessings, take their energy. Keep your focus on the vibrations and the sound. Feel that inside you. just have to focus on the vibrations which you are getting and the sound. If you're not able to focus on the vibrations, you can focus on your inhalation and exhalation. Feel these vibrations inside you. It's just a question of your feeling. Don't block yourself. Sound of the universe. Anahata. Let it reach to your brain, to your heart, to every cell of yours. may feel sleepy, completely relaxed. But bring your focus on these vibrations. Last 5 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Stay with these vibrations. with these vibrations. Stay in the attitude of gratitude. We will say the positive affirmations to ourselves. I am healthy. I am happy. I am satisfied. I am full of life, full of love for myself and for others around me. Thank you, God, for whatever you have given me, also for whatever you have not given me. With this sense of gratitude and a smile on your face, rub your palms, gently keep them on your eyes, and slowly open your eyes. Thank you, everyone. I would like to know your feedback on the group. You can share, please.
Thank you.